What's up? I'm going to show you how to turn your SteelSeries Siberia headphones into the SteelSeries Arctis Pro headphones for only $5. First, you want to get these velcro straps from like Amazon or Walmart or anywhere they sell velcro. This is the stuff you're going to need: tape measure, a little poker thing, flathead screwdriver, small Phillips head, scissors, an X-Acto knife, of course the velcro. First thing you want to do is take off that pad that's out of here. Then you got to pop off this little plate that hides the screws. Then you got your velcro straps. You're going to cut the one end as close as you can to the end of the plastic strap thing. Then on the other strap, you're going to measure out about 1/4 inch. You can eyeball it. Then you want to measure out about 9 inches for the strap, depending on how big your head is. I found 9 inches is pretty sweet though. Ta-da! Then you're going to want to very carefully cut a little notch in between the two ends. Don't cut yourself. Like that. Unscrew these 2 screws right here. Then you slide the little end piece underneath the plate. And you're going to want to poke some holes in through there like this. Pull it out and widen those holes so you can fit the screws in. You can use anything that you poke with, you know. Some sharp object, not the X-Acto knife though, do not use that. Then you push the screws through. Make sure they fit in there for when it comes time to actually assemble it. Pop the screws back out. Slide that piece back under the plate, like so. And then screw the screws back in. Then you got to do this whole same thing for the other side with the poking of the holes and so forth. Once you do that, you got your strap. Adjust it to fit like so. And you're good. Enjoy your new headphones.